Oppo Find N2. Today we will going to talk about this foldable phone, and its launch date is 23rd December 2022. So let's check it out. Its display type is foldable LTPO AMOLED display. Refresh rate is 120Hz. Display size is 7.1 inches. Display resolution is 1792 into 1920 pixels, and its operating system is Android 13. Processor is Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and its GPU is Adreno 730, and its CPU is octa-core. In this phone, you will not find a card slot, and its internal storage is 256GB and 512GB, and RAM is 12GB and 16GB. Front camera is 32 megapixel wide in the one side, and another side 32 megapixel wide you'll also find here. And in the front, the video resolution is 1080p, and the back side 50 megapixel wide and 32 megapixel telephoto, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and in the back you can shoot 4K resolution, and its battery capacity is 4520 milliampere, and charging is 67 watt wired charger. Colors are black, green and white. So that is the specifications. So if you want to know the price of this phone, the details in the description box, you can check the description box. And I'm Ahmed signing out from ARZONE at this moment.